Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to easily get to the WhatsApp Help Center on your PC. Whether you have a question or need assistance, the Help Center is a valuable resource. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC by double-clicking on the app icon. Step 2. Look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will open the Settings menu. Step 3. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Help tab. It is usually represented by a question mark icon. Step 4. Once you're in the Help tab, you will see various options. Look for and click on the Help Center option. And there you have it. You've successfully reached the WhatsApp Help Center on your PC. Here, you can find answers to common questions, troubleshoot issues, and explore useful resources. If you need further assistance or have a specific question, the Help Center is a great place to start. Take advantage of the wealth of information available to enhance your WhatsApp experience. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.